welcome back to my YouTube channel. I didn't upload for 3 days, 2, I don't know, near then. So I was struggling to get this uploaded. But today we have another unboxing with lots of cards, man. We got, wait, I'm just trying to do math. Yeah, 6. We got 6 cards here. Hopefully we can pull a patch. Let's go into the first one. Ooh, a coach. And then Markeith Morris and a Get Hyped Patty Mills. So, these are prison packs. I'll show you what the thing looks like. You should get them. All that stuff. Jeremy Grant. There is glare. So, I'm going to put all the good ones right here. I know you can't see it. You can see it if I go here. But I'm going to put them right there. So, hopefully we can pull a patch or an auto. I'm not sure. We got a rookie card. That's going to be DJ Wilson. We got a fundamental Damian Lillard, Doc Rivers, and a rookie card, Devon Reed. So, that didn't have a patch or an autograph, but that was a good pull for us. I hate my new haircut. Just, I don't like how my hair looks at the beginning. It gets cut. But, you know, we're going to get Tom Thibodeau. I can't. Antetokounmpo. I know how to say that. Scal Labissiere. And that's going to be the end of that pack. Okay. We are flying through these cool packs, man. Evan Fournier. Sterling Brown. Rookie card. Damian Lillard. Fundamental. Get hyped card. Okay, I see now. But we have not pulled any big monies here. So we need to get a good thing here. Okafor, Jay Crowder, Damian Lillard, Prism Green. We're going to see if that could be numbered. No, it isn't. But that is an amazing pull. Our last pack. Let's try and see if we get a good card. No, we did not. But there is good cards. So, I mean, I don't care. Ooh, a Get Hyped Miles Turner and Wayne Selden Jr. So, these are all the unordinary cards that we pulled. That's a lot. And I'm going to see if any of these are numbered. Because if they're numbered, it's better. So far none. None. I don't think they're going to be numbered. But, yeah. So, now we'll wrap up this unboxing video. We got a lot of good cards here. I feel like we could have got an autograph, but we got this Damian Lillard. We're dropping dimes up in here, so that's going to wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace out. Bye.